The federal court has set February 10th to deliver its verdict on the prosecution's appeal against the acquittal of former Felda chairman Tan Sri Muhammad Isa Samad on 9 corruption charges involving 3.09 million ringgit. A 3-member panel led by Federal Court Judge Justice Nordin Hassan said the court required time to consider the submissions from both parties and to review the earlier Court of Appeal judgment. The appeal stems from the Court of Appeal's ruling on March 6, 2024, which overturned the High Court's conviction of Muhammad Isa and the subsequent sentence of 6 years imprisonment and a 15.45 million ringgit fine. On February 3, 2021, the High Court convicted Muhammad Isa on 9 corruption charges linked to offences allegedly committed at Menara Felda in Kuala Lumpur between July 2014 and December 2015. Earlier, Deputy Public Prosecutor Afzai Nizam Abdul Aziz said the prosecution had established that Muhammad Isa accepted gratification on 9 separate occasions from Ikhwan Zaidel through his former special officer, Muhammad Zahid Muhammad Arif. The prosecutor further submitted that evidence showed Muhammad Isa had indirectly instructed Muhammad Zahid to solicit a bribe from Ikhwan following a meeting between them, and that the instruction was subsequently carried out. Meanwhile, Isa's lawyer, Ems Athimulan, maintained that the Court of Appeal was right to acquit his client, arguing that the prosecution failed to prove its case beyond reasonable doubt due to inconsistencies in Muhammad Zahid's evidence.
And as far as the defense are concerned, we argued that there's no appealable error by the Court of Appeal judgment, and therefore that there's no merit in the prosecution's appeal. The appeal ought to be dismissed. That's our argument. And the rest, we left it to the court with our written submission, and that written submission will be considered by the court in making the decision.
The former Negeri Sembilan Menteri Besar was accused of receiving 3.09 million ringgit in gratification from Ikhwan, then a director of Gagasan Abadi Properties Centre in Mohd, through his former special officer as an inducement to approve Felda Investment Corporation Centre in Mohd's 160 million ringgit purchase of the Merdeka Palace Hotel and Suites in Kuching.